Mame ma akwaba emfa umbra Ghana nsem TVGH so wofre me adwowa searching.
Ope political party in Ghana omunfa obuo kete emfa ma Ghana for NDC for. Ope political party a omudi atro NDC for. Na me in life the best decision I ever made in 2012 me fees a party me say me no mo aton kwanta. Ma ba tro dia me fa mo kopem se mewu. Na kwa we see a friend Richard Manube o ya mikro mini nka me person be ka ne wasem na so esane so ya mikro mini nso ojimi dodo Richard Manube mun kanche Richard Manube se me say na no anyo dekele boy Richard Manube anyo dekele boy anwona Richard Manube person kanche se Ghana for nyina ya ni age ekuya for we Richard Manube ukrom konkoma for omuye peasant farmers day in day out omu ye video e de bible ntene say omu ndo ba ye nto omu nya market omu do ebura ye nto omu ye nkatia ye nto omu do amu ye nto omu do ba ye nto omu bank ye nto ni nyina da na eka only under this government na wo Richard Manube ube kasamo krom konkoma for no sanno ala link tibia wa bible ntene abetina radio so TV so say Ghanaians are happy. Teachers from ye juma 10 months amun to got demonstrations picketing all over. They are not paid. Also they are happy. Cocoa farmers are not to market jobs say boom. Bramu promise or move increment boom boom to say boom or musumu say also Ghanaians are happy. Contractors are yentomuka also Ghanaians are happy. Students are more free SHS review. A kabebrebe a nkwala nda omuntumi afford no wo se Ghanaians are happy. Electricity bills are go so kosoro day in day out adobo utoka kra na egranit se Usain Bolt no wo se Ghanaians are happy. People demonstration abembe na aba in the history of Ghana within the space of one year. Not demonstrations all over the country. Every sector, everybody is crying. The fact said because of your friends silence culture of silence in Tinkrofon Kasano doesn't mean that they're happy. And the fact said government has created coordinated WhatsApp platform to us sealing Kofano Kasano doesn't mean that they're happy. Richard Manube, baby Amadu who ya so your konkomani ukrom for your peasant farmers. Speak for them, they are crying day in day out. Omu ye video the Bible ntene omusu wabetina wanuka krekaku your degele boy ya. Wabetina ube kasama no wabetina onum say they are happy and Ghanaians are happy. Ghanaians are happy. Nandampo kula mate manya ni minyane nti yasi John Draman mama nenam eno obon resetting tour sadame say or cut sword for the construction of 24-hour economy market in every district across the country. 24-hour economy market and ogusu cut sword CNT what be that so come here say anytime bia obe so say udom NDC pe na ya do akọ mu lab na ya pa utrimu ayi o brain no dia free ho na ya kata so unama brain is no longer functioning. Uti ase come sana akoye na 24-hour economy no me from day one me catch am say yes scam adia omo bia catch us or no ba oba be mom sustainable and well paying jobs. Everybody will be employed at a go no oba en kakra na won ogusu yi omudi wona waka no mo on to me ntwa omoka they are picketing, they are demonstrating day in day out and you still believe in them. Why do you adwuma omo ye 1 year no akọ ose ne ombe ya ombe briwe nisunti omo akọgina parliament so omo ya 24-hour economy bill edwuma no wo hwa odba mamabunu ya. Do you need bill for what? Edwuma nie emabunu nie willing to work. What do you need the bill for? What do you need the bill for? A scam ye catch ma nyansa common logic inti common sense inti madu nye edwuma Bangladesh from pokra no madu ye edwuma kakra. Uti say and there was another tactics. So be construct your friends and 24-hour economy market in districts. Ghana de nkwaye nyinara ye sankofo yawo. Kwasi Pratt can you? Kwasi Pratt can say imagine all the political parties we have in Ghana. Kwasi Pratt say the most useless the most useless political party in Ghana NDC. Kwasi Pratt neka yeso obi adedi wo NDC mo aye Kwasi Pratt. Yeso no obi party bi ne Kwasi Pratt obi hweboma Kwasi Pratt ni NDC. And so I say the most useless political party in Ghana the NDC. Na ma certain say John Dramani Mahama say onu dey on pretending na our people are involved in Galamsey. And what are you doing? The promise is that when you come, Galamsey is going to be the thing of the past. Oba and Galamsey are double. So telling us say that my people, I will not pretend our own people are involved in it. No, and Tino Ghana for yenya den. And Tino Ghana for no yenya den. You told us say you are going to arrest when you can. You arrest kingpins. Kingpins no amuni uncroft na mugusi yeno. Why are you not arresting them? Why are you not arresting them?
So Malek Basabasantali, Deputy National Communications Officer of the NDC. Now, omu opposition, esan say with timid Dr. Baomian tem, a child trotto Dr. Baomian so say or you preko or no ma petition. Emma Muslims community no ebufu Dr. Baomian to abati aninti. NDC ba power mo. Oma reward no. Oma bonabaso ama ne position as YE CEO. Youth Employment Agency CEO. Oni certificate to only classmate. O kachere Malek Basabasantali say on fan degree certificate in chire wa ebe da ne mabo. But because say with me can throttle ba omiaso. Enti ya man appointment. Now he is one of the most useless people Mahama man appointment. All the appointees of Mahama are useless, but Sir Basabasantali he's the most useless among them all. Very useless. Nisu Nimfasubia, obey CEO of YE Afini. On Timinchre, Adeba Pua Waye, Adeba Pua Waye, and Adeba Pua Waye, Basabasantali ye, and they say obey CEO when Yesica. Eddie Aquamon on Yakwa Yen 9 and 9 is a kino. Aha, the 9 is a kino. When Yesica, Eddie Aqua Yawamon. As you are fixing a spine. Enya huwading or no Kwasi asa no chese onimnyansa ye tam sika e de koye ye nan e ko fix ye nan any ye spine but adwumafu a ye adwuma o waye de won dwene o ho for the first time in 9 years why ye workers me na me ye adwuma o why ye workers e di Christmas without any bonus. Christians are ye adwuma o why e di Christmas without bonus. For the first time, Muslims are and what why you omuye adwuma ebe di sala ene omu di sala akopem Monday without bonus. Yes. Me adwuma why ye under JFK. Na afi su bia oh yes we worker. Nya 100% of your basic salary as bonus. 100% see a debo abaso. But sir akwa with this clown. Basabasantali be ye see you last year. When Timmy and bonus or catch on say, Obetia bonus no, de sala. And a sala. Say, and then a Basabasantali baby tia y for, Eduma 4 bonusa, him. Sa sala omudi Muslims are why including NDC for na omubu fuel funum. Nipple information in mammy or NDC. Menewo kase over 1 year, Basabasantali be see you. Beneficiaries or marketia 400 cedis a month or so. Untimintia. And beneficiaries in him. Echo brim. Some of them they have to resort to Bessie Brane Chronon kitten. Just ask him. And why he has a dedicated funding? Why he is one of the few government agencies because Emrana established why I'm an dedicated funding year what you and no and funding the activities of why including beneficiaries or more allowances and employees or more salaries. Sikano Ghana funja in but basta antali ni NDC yenim ni omudi sikane ye anene why you workers go through ahunhiem ano no sorry obey meeting and no call Australia. basa ntali onye meeting wo Ghana wo say ebi aye kwa akoye workshop bi na wo ma kwa akoje Kufuridia Capital View Hotel ana say Rock City ni ade da bi basa ntali wo no oye meeting na oko Australia na UK ne ne ekeka ho chese Kwasi a na ni ate ana say Kwasi a wahu asikiri o di Kwasi a he's been exposed to sugar di sugar na ma when you diabetes, what he's been exposed to power, and I am man position Kessia, Sika be brave about why yinti, just say, tini basa. As Uncle Shafu, Juma Omudi and I think that he's the propounder of Sa Ora now, Ababe a white elephant, Ababe Abatos, since NDC for Kumunum. I think that he's the one that started. Now Ora, then this be cool position. One only be dini first. And don't find saying baby and soon. Mwah.